What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common issues and errors when making a purchase through the Apple App Store. If you or your child are trying to make an in-app purchase and it's saying that the purchase is blocked or unavailable, there are a couple of common reasons this might happen. First, open your iPhone settings and scroll down to Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time and then scroll to the bottom where you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on this option. Within Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here, you will see an option for in-app purchases. If it's set to Don't Allow, then it's likely the reason you cannot make purchases. Simply tap on it and switch it to Allow. This change should enable you to make in-app purchases. If this doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be with your payment method. Ensure you have a valid payment method linked to your App Store account. You can use a credit card, debit card or PayPal. To verify this, go to your settings, tap on your name at the top and then select Payment and Shipping. Make sure your payment information is up to date and correctly entered. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.